Have you ever had meatloaf that was sort of dry and tasteless? And other times you take a bite and it's one of the best things you've ever tasted. I know I have. So today, our goal is to say goodbye to all those disappointing meatloaves and hello to one that is sure to be a family favorite. One of the most important things with making meatloaf is to start with the right ground beef. I like to use a ground chuck since it's a little fattier, giving it lots of flavor. Now we combine this with some crushed butter crackers, a chopped onion, a good amount of ketchup, a couple of eggs, and a bit of salt and pepper. Another key is don't overmix it, because if you do, it tends to get tough when it's cooked. After hand forming this onto a baking sheet, we top it with some bacon. The reason I like to hand form this is it allows the fat to drain away while it cooks. After this bakes for an hour or so, we'll top it with a combo of mustard, ketchup, and brown sugar, and back into the oven it'll go. And there you have it, a meatloaf that is super juicy and is packed with flavor inside and out. And the combo of the bacon and the glaze makes it irresistible. So don't wait another minute. Go online and get the recipe for what we call your family's favorite meatloaf. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.